Hi guys, so today we're going to look into the multiplication chart virtual manipulative to help us with our multiplication factors, multiples, and everything that has to do with multiplication. So let's see. There are lots of things that we can do when we do have a multiplication chart. We can look at how the factors relate to each other, what the multiples of them are. We can look at different patterns that these numbers create. So on this particular virtual manipulative, we can pick any color we'd like. So I'm going to pick pink, and we can select any number in this table. So I'm going to select 20. And as you can see, when I select 20, these two numbers, the number all the way to the left is 5, and the number all the way up above it is 4. So those are the two factors that create 20. So on the bottom, it says 5 times 4 is equal to 20. And then if I can do a different color now. So if I select yellow, let's look, I'm going to select 15. So as you can see, right when I select 15, the two numbers change on the side. And it's 3 times 15. 3 times 5 equals 15. I'll do this with one more color. Let's see. Do 40. So we can see on the column up and down, it's 5. And then the column up above, it is 8. So 5 times 8 equals 40. So this multiplication chart is very good at looking at visualizing the two numbers that create a product. So factor times factor equals multiple. So we have the 1 through 10 column on the left side and the 1 through 10 column on the top. Those two sides, the numbers on those sides represent factors. And then all the white numbers in between represent the multiples of those factors. Let's see, and then we can clear our board. Another thing we can do with this virtual manipulative is we can look at patterns. So if I select blue, we can see what numbers are the same. So let's see. Looking right at it, I see a lot of 10s. So I see a 10 there. I see a 10 here. There's another one. And I think that's it. So now that we've selected 3 10s, we can see what two factors make these 3 10s. So we'll look at our first one right here. So we're going to see 5 times 2 equals 10. Then we're going to look at our next 10 right here. And we can also see that 2 times 5. So those are interchangeable numbers that equal the same product. And then we look over here, and 1 times 10 equals 10. And we can do that with one more number. Let's see. I'm going to select yellow this time. Let's do 12. So I see one right there, right here. Lots of 12s. All right. So now we can go back and look. Click on this 12. 6 times 2 equals 12. And then 4 times 3 equals 12. Then we have another interchangeable one right here, 3 times 4. And then the last one is 2 times 6, which is another interchangeable one. So there are a couple ways that we can look at our multiplication chart and find out different patterns and sequences, and it's a very good visualization, especially with the colors of these different numbers to represent the equation. Thank you.